doing a pro with fingerboards unboxing. There's a pro sticker, it's pretty good quality. Oh jeez. Here's the wheels. These wheels look pretty small. I've never really seen any. I think this will be going on this deck, because I really like this deck. But yeah, these yellow or these green wheels are $30, or like $22.95. Pretty great. I'll just take one out or something, or three. Single bearing. They're like really, really, really small. Well, I'm just gonna set it up and we can make a review on it. So, thanks for watching. I'll set it up and make a review. Thanks. Bye.